Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to set up report location in Epicor Kinetic. For this example, we're going to start by opening the customer statement report style. Now let's create a copy report style. And here's where you can define the location or the folder where you need to create your new report style. So for example, we're going to set this as new report style folder test, click copy, and then you will see you have your own report style defined and also your own report style location. This way you can avoid overwriting other reports inside of the other report styles. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.